怪我は大丈夫ですか？私よりも毛皮の方が大事なのね。
Kegawa means fur. Kegawa means as for injuries. Kega means injury. Wa is a topic marker, so kegawa means as for injuries. Kegawa, 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 kegawa. Kega uses a tail-high style accent pattern. If the expression tail-high style accent pattern is new to you, please watch this video. Let's review what the tail-high style accent pattern is. Hana, a flower. Hana, a nose. Oh, what is the difference? We can distinguish these two words when we add particle here. For example, when we add ga, hana ga, a flower. Hana ga, a nose. Hana ga, flower. Hana ga, a nose. Particles are added low after the tail-high style nouns. Without particles, both of them should be read hana hana. I made a list of tail-high style accent nouns made up with two hiraganas. So please check this one. Let's get back to today's skit.
怪我は大丈夫ですか？
We should say 怪我は大丈夫ですか？怪我は大丈夫ですか？毛皮は大丈夫ですか？毛皮は大丈夫ですか？ And sometimes we omit the particle は especially when we are in a hurry or we are very excited. So 毛皮大丈夫ですか means
怪我は大丈夫ですか？私よりも毛皮の方が大事なのね。
He should have said 怪我は大丈夫ですか？ありがとうございます。大丈夫です。Don't worry about it too much. This is just an example of the Japanese which accent. Good luck for their studies. 頑張ってください。